Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Chat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Senior Engineering and CME Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. Today, let's talk about reCool, but let's talk about maintenance of reCool, how to clean, and spare parts. All rotary units are made to be rebuilt. So they're made so you can take them apart, you can clean the inside out, and you can put them back together for future use. Now, the static reCool units are not made to come apart. All you have to do on those is make sure that your port coming in and your port on the inside are clear so that coolant flows easily. Now, the AX is a rotary style, but it's not made to come apart. This is a very tight tolerance system in this particular one. There's not a lot of gaps in this. So the AX style is not included in the maintenance we're going to talk about today. Let's put those aside. We're going to put the high-speed version aside, which does have the ability to take it apart. If you look on top, you can see the spring clip has two eyelets. If you see those, it's made to come apart and you can clean it. So let's go through the process today. So I have an ER25 standard reCool. I have a replacement spring clip. I have a set of pliers that are going to help me remove that spring clip, and a little nylon brush to show you what to clean on the inside. So let's go through the process. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my spreading pliers, and I'm going to put the two pins into the eyelets. And I'm going to hold the unit with one hand, squeeze apart, and sometimes it's a little difficult. You may not get it the first time. And take that spring clip off. From here, I can actually disassemble the unit really easily. So what do I want to clean? So I'm going to get my little nylon brush, and I'm going to clean all the channels on the inside, making sure I'm getting all the chips, dried coolant, the fines removed from the inside. I'm going to clean the mating surfaces on the bottom and the top. This is where the coolant flows through, making sure that our coolant bearing can work effectively. I'm going to take the outside body and I'm going to clean those same grooves, top and bottom. Then I'm just basically going to clean the other parts. Just spray some oil on it, wipe it off with a blue towel or some sort of lint-free towel. When it comes to putting it back together, really it goes back together the exact way it came apart. I'm going to set the body down. I'm going to put the outside ring over top. I'm going to put my cap ring. Now the cap ring, you're going to notice, is coated on one side and not the other. Cap ring goes coating up so you can see it. Just got to line it up correctly. Drop that on. And then I'm going to get my new spring clip. Now I'm going to take that and put it back on top. So I'm going to go ahead and put my pliers in, bring it over. Now be really careful here. You really don't want to pinch yourself when you open this up. It will hurt. So to spread it, kind of push it down, let it fall over. Then I just kind of tap it in with the nose of my pliers. Now at this point, the reCool is ready for use. Now, why would I want to clean this? Well, one, like I was mentioning, as this is being used, the fines or the small chips from the cutting process can build up in the channels inside. That's the number one reason. Get those out of there, let the coolant flow through easily. The second, and probably most common reason is, well, I haven't used this rotary head for a while. It's been sitting. My coolant has dried on the inside of my reCool unit, and it's acting kind of like glue. It's very stiff. Taking that apart, cleaning it, add a little bit of oil to it, and it's ready to go, ready for application, right back into your machining process. Now, if you have any questions at all about the reCool units themselves, how to clean them, or where to get the spare parts, please reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. We are here to help.